Hey guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I succeed in taking out black, very black spot, skin irritation, skin breakouts. I'm gonna be showing you guys one of the many ways I'm able to clear my face. I use this at least twice a week or once a week. For example, this is just one of them, okay? A tomato. Yeah, a tomato in your kitchen. Most of you have tomatoes in your kitchen right now. And if you want it, maybe is really bad and you want it to work better, you can make it either a scrub. This is sugar. You do a sugar scrub with these tomatoes, or you use only the sugar. As you can see, I used to have a lot of, because I have a beard, I used to have a lot of black spots, breakouts because of my beards, because I am very hairy. I have beards here like a man. I'm not a man. Hormones now, women hormones can fluctuate anytime. And yeah, if you see here, you can still see some little mark. You can still see some little mark. They were very bad. And right now, I have 2 or 3 stuff I use, but this is one of them. And if you also want me to share my other skincare secrets, comment it down below and I'll let you know. Right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use it. This is really simple. For your cream, no matter the cream you will buy, no matter the skincare you will buy, you still need to get your skin ready, because sometimes our skins have dead skin, dirt that we make. Maybe you go and purchase a skincare, it won't work the way it should because it's battling with the dirt in your face. So you have to clean it and get it ready. Take out all the dead skin cell for your skincare to work. Most times, before I found all these little secret that work for me in these little stuffs, I've used different kind of skincare. If you say this is working, I will buy. You say that is working, I will buy. But I come out with my own is always different. It doesn't work. And I found out, I was thinking I have a strong skin or nothing will work for me, or yeah, because as you age, your body changes. Even though you don't age, your skin 5 years ago cannot be the same 10 years later or 5 years later. Things change. Your environment, your food, the weather, things do change. So this, anyway, I'm still trying to take it off. It was really big. This is from allergies. Really bad allergies that happen to me every summer, sometimes during the winter. And it left me with this very big scar all over my neck. It was itching a lot. I couldn't even control it. It's passed a little bit. It still itches, but I've been trying to use my remedy to take it off. If you see, it was all here before. It has cleared and is remaining just this place. So guys, this is how I use it. Very simple. Most times I take this out of the fridge. I like my skincare cold as it is summer. If you want to use it, you can just use this. I'm gonna do the both right now. I'll share the tomatoes into 2, one into the sugar and one like this. For me, who my acne is going, for the days I don't have time, I'm in a hurry, I just want to use just the tomatoes. I'll just wash like this, nothing serious. Wash, the pulp will come out. Okay. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to wash it away. But if not for this video, I'll leave it up for about 15 minutes for you to do what you should. I don't leave this out. Sometimes I do forget it, especially when I'm wearing something that's covering my neck. I don't bother about it, yeah. There is no amount of skin mask you buy sometimes. I've tried. So you see that? If I want to use it more, I'll just do like this and continue to use it to scrub to wash my face. This is just the face mask. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you rinse. I'm going to rinse right now. 1 minute. I'm so short. I literally need a stool to stand on. I don't want to use my towel, my face towel, because it's tomatoes. It's going to leave some tomatoes particles. You see that? It's still red because I'm in a hurry. I didn't wash it well. I don't like to wash it with soap. I like to wash my face before starting the remedy. Wash the first dirt before you start using your, so that you might not need to be using strong chemical to take off dirt. Then this is the second remedy. You take your tomatoes and your sugars and then you scrub. I'm going to be doing the areas I have spots more in this scrubbing section. I'm going to scrub, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then I'm good to go. It has a lot of water. Just sugar, nothing else. If you want it to soften your face, this softens the face. But if you want it to work more, use honey. I use honey, but I don't know, not say why, because I believe the honey we see in this Europe is not as original as it should. They are made from sugar or flour. I don't know. I don't just trust it, so I just go for the normal remedy. But if you have original sugar around, make use of it. It will help. So here you go. This is where my spot. Mind you, this video has no filter whatsoever. This is straight from my camera roll. I don't even have good lighting in my bathroom. I have very bad lighting. My lighting in my bathroom is really bad. I'm trying to stretch to show you guys. I'm going to scrub. It's advisable to use the scrub once, no more than twice a week. So you will strip off your natural oil from your face. And then I'll scrub here as well. The neck is already okay. It's healed. But yeah, just for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to be stressing myself. But I'm just going to be doing this for you guys. Oh my god. Scrub, 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 scrub. I have, look at it. I use it to make a paste. And yeah, scrub. Just salt and tomatoes, guys. Scrub. I scrub my lips too. So, you leave this on. It's not bad for you to lick anyways. You leave this on 5 to 10 minutes as long as you want. You can walk around, go cook, however you feel comfortable with it. And then you wash. Look. Then wash. I'll be using cold water for the right pot. One minute, let me wash up my face. So guys, right now, I'm done washing. I'm still going to use my paper towel to wipe because, of course, I don't want my face towel to get stained. Sometimes I use it too. But yeah. And now, you can do this when you are out of the shower or before you get into the shower. You see that? And you will see more results as the weeks goes. Use your skincare. You will see the difference. This remedy makes a really big difference in my skincare routine. I have other 2 skincare I add to this. This alone works really good. Sometimes when I'm tired, I just want to change something. I have other 2 remedies. One softens the face. It doesn't necessarily take out sore spots. This can take out dark spots. Also, I have 2 other remedies. One is to take away firm line, and the other one is it targets the dark spot in your face. This exfoliates your skin, target dark spots, and makes your face feel very soft and beautiful. So this is here. I'll be doing, not that you're gonna just, and my skin is still my skin color. You doesn't have to bleach every season just because you're looking for a skincare that will fit. So right now I'm going to take a shower, and when I'm done, I will be back to use my skincare. This skincare I got from my TikTok shop. It works 100%. It has done magic since I introduced this into my skincare. So I would recommend you all go to my TikTok, Queen of Love, and order this. It's magical. So guys, this is my skincare. This is the serum, and this is the face cream. So I will take a shower and I will be back.